baggage claim, ground transportation. And we just want to continue following the signs here for baggage claim, ground transportation. And we just follow into the tunnel to Terminal 3. Continue on here following the signs, baggage and ground transportation to the left towards the exit down here. And we're just going to continue on through the exit here and turn to the left, and it looks like we're going downstairs. Continuing to follow the signs here, downstairs to the ground transportation.
For your child's safety, do not allow them to play on or
and we arrive on the lower level here at the baggage claim. And what we want to look for is the Starbucks down here. I'll wander around and see if I can find it. And we'll head over to the car rental shuttles. And sorry about that. I guess when we come down the elevator, I went down the escalator, I went the wrong way. So here's baggage claim on the right. Here's the escalator we just came down. And then the signs are pointing to the car rental. So it's either down here or to the right. The Starbucks is down here. Let's go take a look. Okay, we're just continuing to walk down here. The sign for car rental shuttle straight ahead. Actually, okay, it says just down here to the left, car rental shuttle. I'm not sure where that Starbucks was, but anyway, that doesn't matter. Let's go ahead, we'll go across here. Car rental shuttle. Feeling it's probably just down here. And the sign says car rental shuttle. I'm not sure if this is a shuttle bus. I have a feeling it probably is. And these are all the car rental shuttles. They're working on extending the SkyTrain. Sorry, I'm not sure if you guys can hear me. We're arriving over at the car rental center. It's that building kind of in behind there. Time on the shuttle bus is probably going to vary. I guess it's probably about 5 or 10 minutes, depending on which terminal you come from. And the Starbucks I was looking for was actually at a different terminal. So just follow the signs for the car rental shuttles. And eventually they're going to replace the shuttles and extend the air train. And we've arrived at the car rental center. Sorry about all the noise here. Pretty much you can walk in here, and then all the different agencies are here, and then garages are in behind. You'll see where it says 2 rental cars. And if you look for one of my earlier videos from Phoenix, I kind of go through the directions. But essentially, so over to the left, we got rental cars over there for $1.50. And then here's the counter for budget, $1.50, Fox. And then we get into Alamo and National. but I'll just walk down here to show you guys, just so we can kind of make the video complete here. 2 rental cars. So down here is going to be Budget and Hertz, Payless. National is also down here, down to level 2. And then just a little bit further down here, we got counters for Hertz, Enterprise, Payless, and Avis. And you can also exit down to the rental cars down there. And I think that's going to wrap it up. Be sure to tune in to some of my other videos where I kind of walk through the aisles. You can kind of get an idea where everything is. And some of the selection of the cars out here again at Phoenix Airport. And I'm just going to make my way down here, just over to National. Thanks everyone for watching. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and click that subscribe if you want to see more of these videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.